Hi, welcome to AIMS. Today in this video we are going to um do the staff payroll, to explain the staff payroll, how it goes, how it processes. So if we click on the human resource management, and we have done the staff directory, staff listing, add staff, import staff, staff attendance. Now if we go to the payroll section, here you can see that all the stuff are present, and you can just click on the generate payroll. If we click on the payroll here, first we need to go back again to see. So select role. If you go role wise, you will be able to see only that particular role in the listing for the month of current month, current year. So if you want to process for the previous month, or so you can select. So now I'm doing for the month of October, for the current month. Generate payroll. Here you can see all the details related to the particular uh, staff member. Here we can see that the basic salary is 100,000, and here we can add the allowances. So if we want to add allowances, so we can add as many as we want. We just need to click here and just type in the allowance. So you can see all the allowances from the chart of accounts. So I will add TAD allowance. I can put 500. Then again allowance, uh, house rent allowance, and that will be 2000. Another allowance, staff bonus allowance. You can add as many allowances as you want. 2000. Again another allowance, staff other allowance, and that will be 1000. Here deductions, if you want to deduct any payment against advances, or I'm just going to add one here, income tax payable, which we are deducting from salary. Income tax, yeah, salary tax, you can say income tax payable, and that will be 750. Now if I after that I need to definitely click on this calculate button, calculate. So it will calculate all the amount. Deduction is 750, which is the tax. uh, Earnings, these are the allowances, that is the basic salary. So the whole gross salary is there's only 100. So yeah, uh, yeah, it's 100. So the basic salary which needs to be amended there. If I save it, you can see here the status is generated. Now the next step is, if I'm going to do it for another one as well, so it will be more clear now. That is 45,300. So here it will be allowances. This one allowance, 1, 2, 3 allowances, stuff allowances, stuff other allowances, and TAD allowance. So 1500, 2000, 1000, and 1200. Income tax payable 800. And if I go to the calculate, so it's 50,200 net salary. If I save it, it will come here. So now I'm going to proceed to pay. After that we need to come here, stuff, these are the information. You can say October 2020, payment mode, which is cash. If you select bank, it will ask you for the banks. If you select cash, it will ask you for the cash in hand. If you select bank and you select any bank, it will ask you for the reference number as well, the check number you are paying through, or any other reference number. So you need to put that reference number here. So normally I will select copy this number and I will paste here. And here we need to select the account head from where we are going to pay him. So staff salaries. Here is staff salaries. Here, that's the staff salaries. We need to choose this account, otherwise it will not be processed against the account head in the chart of accounts, and it will not create or generate the ledger account for you. So if I want to save it, that has been saved. View the payslip now. So here is the payslip. If you want to print it, it's gonna be printed like this. For your office record, or uh, to issue one copy to the employee for making the payments. So that's how we are processing the payroll. If you want to revert the transactions or delete the transaction, you can just click on this button and it will revert the transaction. It will delete from the database. It will update your record. If you want the generated one to delete from here, you can delete from here. Now if we go to the human resource and HR reports here, in the staff payroll report, you will be able to see select role. I will say teacher for the month of October and 2022. Search. The record is here. So that's having. If you see here, it will show you from here as well. So that's how we are processing the payroll salary for the staff. Thank you very much.